Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video, I discuss about uterine artery. It is the branch of anterior divisions of the internal iliac artery. Uterine artery crosses the ureter anteriorly. This is the ureter. It crosses the ureter anteriorly. Then it ascends along the lateral wall of the uterus. It is situated in two layers of the broad ligaments. This is the anterior layer of the broad ligament. This is the posterior layer of the broad ligament. So, uterine artery is the content of the broad ligament. This is the internal iliac artery. So, uterine artery is the branch of anterior division of the internal iliac artery. So, uterine artery has three parts. Up to this portion is situated in the lateral pelvic wall, and this is the first part of the uterine artery, and this part crosses in front of the ureter. This is the second part of the uterine artery, and this part which it ascends along the lateral wall of the uterus. This is the third part of the uterine artery. So near its journey, it's give this is the vagina, so it's give one of the branch to vagina. This is ureter, it's give one of the branch to ureter. Then it's give branch to cervix. Then it's give uterus to arcuate artery. Arcuate artery is this is the uterus. This is arcuate artery. So arcuate artery is hold the uterus like this, and there are anastomosis in the midline. Then this is the fundal branch. It supply the fundus of the uterus. This is the uterine branch, supply uterine artery. This is the ovarian branch, supply the ovary. The location of the arcuate artery. This is the myometrium. The location of the arcuate artery in between outer 1/3 and middle 1/3 of the myometrium. And from the arcuate artery, this are the radial branch arises, and it crosses the inner 1/3 of the myometrium, and it's entered the basal layer of the endometrium. This is the basal layer of the endometrium. This is the functional layer of the endometrium. So, the radial artery supply the inner 1/3 of the myometrium and the basal layer of the endometrium. Within the basal layer of the endometrium, it's give of two branches. It gives two branches. One is radial, one is straight artery or basal artery, and another is spiral artery. So, this is the proximal portion of the spiral artery. This is the distal portion of the spiral artery. Partial artery is and as it also forms some lacunae, the dilated capillary, and this is the venous drainage of the endometrium. So this is the arcuate artery. It is located in the middle 1/3 of the myometrium, and it's give radial branches, and it also gives some peripheral branches which supply the outer 1/3 of the myometrium. Now the summary of the uterine artery. Uterine artery is located lateral side of the uterus. Arcuate artery or coronary artery situated anterior posterior surface of the body of the uterus at the middle layer of the myometrium. Radial artery piercing the myometrium reaches the endometrium. Straight or basal artery situated in the stratum basale of the endometrium, spiral artery situated stratum basale and stratum functionally layer of the endometrium. One of the important points regarding uterine artery, the straight axillary and proximal part of the spiral artery do not change during menstrual cycle, and distal portion of the spiral artery under the influence of estrogen and progesterone undergo degeneration and regeneration with each menstrual cycle. So this portion, the straight artery and proximal portions of the spiral artery do not change according to the stage of menstrual cycle. But these portions of the spiral artery change as per different stages of the menstrual cycle. This is all about uterine artery. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.